Hi, welcome Standard 12 Science student, Subject Chemistry, Unit Halogen Derivatives, Subunit Classification and Nomenclature of Halogen Derivatives. Introduction. The parent family of organic compounds is hydrocarbon. Halogen derivative definition. Replacement of hydrogen atoms in aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbons by halogen atoms result in the formation of halogen derivative of hydrocarbon. See the general formula. Alkane CnH2n plus 2, alkene CnH2n, alkyne CnH2n minus 2. Therefore, alkyl halide general formula CnH2n plus 1 bond X. See the reaction, general reaction. Aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon RH reacted with X2, any halide, formation of alkyl or aryl halides RX. Classification of halogen derivatives. A. On the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen atom is bonded, the halogen derivatives are classified haloalkane, haloalkene, haloalkyne and haloarenes. See the structure. Haloalkane CH3 bond CH2 bond X. Haloalkene CH2 double bond CH bond X. Haloalkyne HC triple bond CX. Or haloarenes benzene ring of alternate double bond single bond combination which attaches to the halide X. B. On the basis of number of halogen atoms, halogen derivatives are classified as mono, dry, tri or polyhalogen compounds. First, monohalogen compounds. See the structure CH3 bond CH2 bond X or benzene ring which attaching to the X. In that case, only one halogen is attached to monohalogen compounds. Then dihalogen compounds. See the structure CH3 bond CHXX. Second structure CH2X bond CH2X. These are the first structure geminal dihalide and second structure vicinal dihalide. That means two halogen attaching to the carbon atom. One carbon atom attaching two halogen geminal dihalide, and in structure two carbon atoms from C1 and C2 or any two carbon atom which attaching the halogen atom X, it is vicinal dihalide. Next example of dihalogen compounds, benzene ring which attaching to two halogen X. Then trihalogen compounds, that means three halogen atom X will be attaching to that structure. For example, CH2X bond CHX bond CH2X, or in benzene ring which attaching 3 X in that the position of first, second and fourth halides. We will consider the classification of monohalogen derivative in more details. See the classification of monohalogen compounds. Monohalogen compounds are further classified on the basis of position of halogen atom and the type of hybridization of carbon to which halogen atom is attached. In that A. Alkyl halide or haloalkane. Definition. In alkyl halide or haloalkane, the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon which is the part of saturated carbon skeleton. alkyl halide may be primary, secondary, tertiary depending on the substitution states of the carbon to which halogen is attached. See the structure RCH2X primary halide. First carbon in structure attaching halogen X. Second structure secondary halide, that means the two alkyl groups and second number carbon which attaching to that one side hydrogen and one side halides, that means secondary halides. Tertiary halides, three alkyl groups attaching to that carbon which will be bonded with X, it is tertiary alkyl halide. Next, allylic halide B. In allylic halides, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to a carbon-carbon double bond. See the example. CH2 double bond CH bond CH2X. Here, first halide group will be attaching to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom and next to carbon showing carbon-carbon double bond. Or next structure, a cyclic ring, in that X will be attaching to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom and next to that carbon-carbon showing double bond. See benzylic halide. In benzylic halides, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is further bonded to an aromatic ring. Cyclic ring attaching to the X as a sp3 hybridized carbon atom. See the example, the benzene ring which attaching CH2 bond X. Next structure, the central carbon which will be attaching to the benzene ring and two sides of CH3 group, alkyl group, which will be bonded with X. D. Vinylic halide. In vinylic halide, halogen atom is bonded to a sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aliphatic chain. Vinylic halide is a haloalkene, ALKENE. Example, CH2 double bond CH bond X. That means both carbon are having carbon-carbon double bond which attaching to that halogen X. Another example, a cyclic ring which carbon attaching X, the other side the carbon will be bonded with double bond to other carbon. Haloalkyne, ALKYNE. When a halogen atom is bonded to sp hybridized carbon atom, it is a haloalkyne. Example, HC triple bond CX. That means carbon-carbon joined by triple bond which will be bonded to that X. E. F. Aryl halides or haloarenes. In aryl halides, halogen atom is directly bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring. Example, cyclic benzene ring directly attaching to the halides X. That means the central carbon which will be the cyclic ring will be sp2 hybridized bonded to that carbon atom of aromatic ring. Next to that, CH3 benzene ring, first carbon will be attaching CH3 and second carbon will be attaching in a X. That means X will be attaching sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring. Quick review, classification of halogen derivative. Halogen derivative are classified on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton and second on the basis of number of halogen atom. We remember haloalkane, ALKNE, R bond X, haloalkene, RCH2 double bond CHX, haloalkyne, RC triple bond CX, haloarene, ARX, or On the basis of number of halogen atom, monohalogen derivative, dihalogen derivative, trihalogen derivative or polyhalogen derivative. In that monohalogen derivative further classified, we have to see the haloalkene alkyl halide, in that primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl halide. In that next type allylic halide, benzylic halide, vinylic halide, haloalkyne, aryl halide or haloarine. See the examples. Nomenclature of halogen derivatives. The common name of alkyl halide are derived by naming the alkyl group followed by the name of halogen as a halide. For example, methyl iodide, tertiary butyl chloride. Alkyl halides are named as haloalkene. Aryl halides are named as haloarine in common as well as IUPAC system. For dihalogen derivative of an arine, prefix ortho, meta, para are used in common name system. But in IUPAC system, the numerals 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4 respective are used. Tables. In that, name of some halogen derivatives. CH2 Cl2, methylene chloride, IUPAC name dichloromethane. Second structure CH3CH2Br, ethyl bromide, common name, IUPAC name bromoethane. Next structure CH3CHClCH3, isopropyl chloride, where in that structure iso means one carbon which will be bonded to hydrogen and halogen. IUPAC name 2-chloropropane. Next structure CH3 twice CH bond CH2Br, isobutyl bromide. IUPAC name 1-bromo 2-methyl propane. Next structure CH3 thrice CBr, tertiary butyl bromide, IUPAC name 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. Next structure CH3 thrice C CH2Cl, neopentyl chloride, common name, IUPAC name 1-chloro 2,2-dimethyl propane. Next structure CH2 double bond CHCl, vinyl chloride, 1-chloroethene ETHENE. CH2 double bond CH bond CH2Br, allyl bromide, IUPAC name 3-bromopropene. Next structure HC triple bond C bonded with Cl, chloroacetylene, common name, IUPAC name chloroethane ETHYNE. Benzene ring which attaching CH2I, benzyl iodide, common name, IUPAC name iodophenyl methane. Next structure the position first iodo and fourth CH3, therefore common name para iodotoluene. IUPAC name 1-iodo-4-methyl benzene or 4-iodotoluene. Next structure 2 chlorines are attaching in 1,3 position, therefore or in common name meta-dichlorobenzene, IUPAC name 1,3-dichlorobenzene. In this way, conclusion: to understand the classification and nomenclature of halogen derivative. Question answer. See some questions giving that answer in that slide. Thank you.